Hello YouTube and welcome to my video. This is a video about Scapy. Um, Today we are going to do something really fun. We are going to use the send and receive packet, which is the SR function, and it is sending a packet and receiving the answer. So what we are doing now today, so this function will return a couple of packets and answers with the unanswered packets. So the function which I'm going to do right now, I'm gonna send an IP packets through the ICMP protocol, and I'm gonna send like a secret message. I'm gonna call it, I will send the message through the ICMP protocol. Look how amazing is it? So basically this is a packet that will be sent through the Ethernet network, and we will be able to sniff it through Wireshark, which is pretty cool actually. You're sending like your ping is your message. Cool. So this is first, and then if you check the P, which is the packet that we created, you will be able to find all the information of the IPv4 header, like the version, the HTTL, the TOS, the length, the ID, the flags, and we are able also to show it in a better manner when you do the letter of or the name of your packet .show. And I'm gonna show you now what you can see from this information. Okay. Accept. Let's take any picture. Let's take this one. Okay, this one is better. So as you can see, like there is the version, the header length, the type of service, and etc. All of these are located here. So the Scapy showed them all to you, so you can get a better understanding about what is going on behind the scene. And now what you can do is it is like modifying these values. So for example, I want the IHL to be let's say 1. Okay, and now if I do p.show, you will be able to see that the IHL is 1. Okay, now let's do let's delete the TTL, for example. So you can do del.p.ttl, and now I'm gonna assign the TTL to be I don't know, to be 12. And now if I do p.show, I will be able to see that it is 12. As you can see, it is 12. You have them in both formats. So like we are changing the IHL and the TTL, we are able to change anything that we want. For example, we are able to change the version, the IP, the source, the destination, anything that come on to your head, you are able to change it with Scapy. So let me get back to the initial, which is 5. Okay. And that's it. That's pretty much it for this video. You have learned how to send an ICMP with your secret message through using Scapy, and how to manipulate your data as you want using Scapy, so you can change them to whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one. See you in the next video.